and welcome to Cheap Joe's. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And this tip today is intended to help you improve your work in a simple, easy, zero cost way to you. This one is a simple thing that I learned in art school. And that is that while you're working on your piece, sometimes you tend to get a little bit in the zone. You kind of focus up and you tune out everything else and you start working, and hours can go by before you look up again. Well, it's really important to take a break about every 15 to 30 minutes and back up and squint at it a little. I know it sounds stupid, but it's really, really important. And also is kind of like one of those cliche movie things that you see artists do and stuff like that. But it's very, very beneficial for what you're doing. Sometimes you can get lost in detail, get focused on these little things and lose track of the bigger picture. And if you take a break and just stand up, move away from what you're doing and squint at it a little bit, you will find that you will become aware of the points of contrast more. You will become more aware of the larger visual, large and small dominant shapes that are going on in your piece. And when those details get lost, you get to see what the impact point is for the viewer. What is the point, the focal point for this piece? Because sometimes what your intention for the focal point is and what actually gets translated gets lost sometimes when you get lost in details. So remember, take a little break. Every once in a while, stand up, back up from your piece and squint at it. Sounds dumb, works great. You will find an improvement in the execution of your pieces just from this practice alone. So enjoy.